Hello and welcome back everyone. Today's video is sponsored by a company called Lilac Personalized, and today I'm going to be showing you two things that they sent me. First is a customized ring set, and it does have Olivia on there as the name, but you can customize the name to your liking. And then they also sent me some name earrings, which are just my initial 2 C's. So without further ado, let's get straight into the review. First things first, I noticed they have really cute packaging. I'm loving the pink. You guys know pink and purple are my favorite colors. Inside the packaging, they sent some polishing cloths as well as the specs on the jewelry and the materials. And they also let us know that they sanitize, and everything that you need to know for returns and everything is also inside the box. So here is the first ring set. The very top ring does say Olivia. This is how it came, but you can customize it however you like. And since that is my middle name, I decided let's go for it. I did order this ring in a size 8 because I was going up and down in my weight, and now I'm realizing I should have definitely kept a size 7 because it was just a tiny bit loose, but it actually does fit me now because I did gain the weight back. But if you're somebody whose weight fluctuates, just go down a ring size, and you can find out what size you are by going to their chart on their website. So this is the ring at first glance, and I'm just showing you guys the earrings that they sent with the initials. They're really cute studs, and I love the fact that they're not too flashy, just a little bit of bling if you're just trying to do something real quick and simple. So now I'm going to show you guys how the ring and how the earrings look up close and personal under my ring light, and then I'll also be showing you guys later on in this video how everything looks in natural lighting. Now before I forget, I will be tagging Lilac Personalized Jewelry, their information down below. They did give me a coupon code, which is CASS20. You will get an extra 20% off if you use this code, and I will also link down their social media and websites as well as the ring styles and the direct links to both of the ring and the earrings that I ordered in case you guys like this exact style. Right now they are having a big sale on their website, so I do recommend to check out their website. They offer super fast shipping, and they also do returns up to 60 days. So if you're not satisfied with your order, you can just simply return the item and receive a full refund. So I just want to throw that out there. So this is how the ring looks. I'm in here just playing around, showing you guys how it looks. I did shoot this video a while back, and then my computer was acting stupid, so then I had to go back and re-edit and add some more to this lovely video. So I'm so happy that I'm finally getting around to this. But I'm just showing you guys how everything looks up close. If you have any questions for me, feel free to write them down below or to message me. I'll answer as many as I can, but I'll try to make sure that all the information is in the description box. So here I am outside in natural sunlight. This is a completely different day. My hair is braided, makeup's done. I have on a turtleneck because it was a little bit cold outside, and now I'm just throwing on the rings that you see here. I was supposed to take off my class ring, but I completely forgot. It's discontinued, so disregard that. But I'm just showing you guys how this ring looks in the natural sunlight, and then I'll also be showing you guys how the earrings look up close and personal. Right here, I'm in the shade in front of my house, but I am going to be walking in front of the house so that way you can see how it looks under the direct sunlight. And if you guys cannot tell, I was definitely feeling myself. I did shoot 3 videos all in one day, so if you see me wearing the same outfits, that is the reason why. But I promise you guys there are different videos, so just bear with me as I'm going through and trying to catch up on editing everything. But this is how the ring looks, and then I'm also going to be showing you guys right now how it looks in direct sunlight. I'm sorry my nails are never done because you guys know I'm a hairstylist, but in the future, I will be making sure I have some little cute nails on because I really thought that that would have finished the look. But unfortunately, due to my career, I don't wear nails that often. I know I suck, but it's just like a waste of money. So this is how it looks in sunlight, and I just put a little bit of oil on my ashy fingers. I'm just going to show you guys how the rings look as well as the earrings. Shout out to Lilac Personalized for sending me this video, for sending me this jewelry. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. Don't forget to use code CASS20. I'm just going to finish rocking out this jewelry, and I will also link all of their information down below as well for the ring and the studs. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I pretty much don't have anything else to say. I think I've said it all. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below if you are feeling this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.